high five time here at Unique Specialty and Classics 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop. Yes, true Bel Air by decoding the VIN. Particular car powered by a 350 small block Chevy underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 700 R4 automatic with overdrive. And a little later I'm going to show you there is a lock switch with a torque converter or overdrive underneath the dash, and we'll get into that when we start it up. Just want to mention it now so it reminds me to tell you about it later for when you're going down the highway or you're in city use. Also nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, front disc brakes, AC blows cold. That medium blue metallic on this shows well. Take a look at the front chrome. Of course, the gold insert and the gold Chevy logo on the hood. Side markers for the Bel Air package. Nice reflection coming off that paint. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see this car from top to bottom, inside and out, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Take a look down the passenger side of this car first. See, the car appears to be straight. Bright work looks nice. Riding on polished Krager wheels, BF Goodrich radials. Interior has been redone. Appears to be a Bonneville, late 90s, early 2000s Bonneville seats in leather. Does have a power driver seat too. We'll check out the interior a little bit closer here when we get around to the other side. Start it up, let you hear it run. Take a look at the passenger side from the rear. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As I went by the front, you notice the fuel injection emblems on there, not representing this car as a fuel injected car. It is an Edelbrock carb on a Pro Comp intake. Manifold. Take a look at the rear chrome. Also shows well. You will find imperfections here and there. There might be a small little imperfection in the paint here and there, but overall, again, shows very nice. A lot of bright work around the car, nice shape. Let's take a look up and down the driver's side. Bright work looks good. Again, paint shows nicely. Once again, still pictures, so you can check out the interior, underside, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. So click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. All right, let's do a little looking at the interior here. Again, leather interior. Now let's read your fold downs right here. Those are in working order. So again, power seat. Driver's side, it does work. Key needs to be on, FYI. We have that black and dark gray combo door panels. And it highlights the dark gray interior with the black carpeting. Again, 700 R4 transmission paired up with that 350, so you do have the overdrive. Now, I mentioned for locking it into overdrive, right here, excuse me, let me find that switch. Here we go, right here. Left and right. And as far as which is which, I will verify that at the end. I have it on my note sheet. You're going to switch it one way for highway, one way for city. So when you want that overdrive locked in, that's going to do it. Let's start this up a second, and I'll go back to that and let you know also. The 7,162 miles, that was reset when the engine and transmission were rebuilt, so they have 7,162 miles on them. Here's gas gauge, works just fine, if you can see that with the glare. Sorry about that. There you go. Aftermarket radio down below does work. A couple aftermarket gauges here. Let me turn that radio down slightly, playing music. And then the AC controls are built in right here. If I turn the heat off, leave cold on, there you can hear the compressor kick in. And like I said, it does blow cold. Otherwise, I kept the dash looking stock. We'll go ahead and turn that back off. You'll hear the compressor kick back off. All right. Little center console set up. But you can see seats are in nice shape also. Comfortable. Is a little remote for the stereo system also. JVC. Center console with the cup holders. A little locking door on the top. All right, I mentioned that switch underneath the dash. Just so you know, right would be the highway, left would be city. Right highway, left city. Make sure we have that in the notes for the next owner of this beautiful Tri-5. All right, I'm going to pause this 1 second so we can pop that hood and let's check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Nice and tidy underneath here. Also electric fan, of course. As you can see, aluminum radiator. Again, 350. Like I said, Pro Comp manifold or intake. Edelbrock carb. Power steering, power brakes, AC, nicely equipped, smooth running, sounds good. About a little over 7,000 since the engine and tranny were rebuilt. Looking for a nice two-door hardtop Bel Air. Here you go, 1957. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. You call in or email.